gluing flesh for me to hold. Cadaver eyes upon me see nothing. I love the dead before they rise. No farewells, no goodbyes. I never even knew your now rotting face. And while friends and lovers mourn your silly grave, I have other uses for you, darling.